Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Um, so we just made another scalp trade here that I want to share with you guys in the futures market. I'm just going to share my screen. Hang on one second. Okay, here we are. I put arrows, make it easier, so you can see where I sold short and then I covered my position. Okay, so basically this is what we were watching. Let me zoom out here. Okay, so this is the S&P 500 futures, the micro E-mini futures. And basically this was the trading range since 10:30. So you have 2 hours worth of data here that you can see. And this is the VWAP that I always have set up on my day trading. It's always a very well-respected trend line, not trend line, indicator that day traders, that we all use, that, I mean, they're just so helpful. You have to have them in there. If you don't have VWAP in there and you're trying to day trade, yeah, try playing baseball without a ball. So here we go. So let me zoom in. I was watching the consolidation here, just a 2-point, and then it turned into like a 1.5 point back and forth consolidation for about a half an hour. Now, what I noticed is, and what usually happens, is the VWAP is either resistance or support. Once it breaks through, it finds support down here, just kept bouncing, 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 bouncing off of it. All I waited for was the break of VWAP. And then I took my short position right away. I didn't want to take it before that, because if you did that before that, you know, you never knew. Right here, maybe you would have been stopped out. I keep my stop really tight. I'm an accuracy trader, so I scalp quickly and I try to take my loss quick. But my overall, percentage is very high for my win rate. So this is what we did here. Basically, it broke VWAP. Tons of volume come in. This is what happens every time. And this is just a little bit that I made here. Just bought one contract. So I sold it short here at, I think it was 38.06.50, and I covered 38.05 for a small scalp. Not bad. And, when it breaks this critical volume weighted average price, and all the volume comes in, it's the odds are with you, to say the least. So if I zoom out here, I'm going to show you where it did before also that I was looking at. So right here in this range, the same thing happened. It was supporting above the VWAP. Once it breaks the VWAP, it picks up a lot of volume and becomes very bearish, the overall market, because this E-mini is the S&P 500 and it just mirrors the S&P 500. So whatever that's doing, this will do. So this is what I was paying attention to. And you could just clearly see once it breaks that level, all the volume pours in. So it's not just me sitting here, in my living room, trading, watching this. There's millions of other people that are watching the exact same thing. So that's where we stand. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I will be making a lot more of these scalp strategy videos in the future. So subscribe and hit that like button for me. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Take care.